I have been testing both Cursor AI and Windsurf, two AI-powered coding environments that promise to change how you write software. I spent time actually building with both, and here's how they stack up. So first is Cursor. Cursor is a full-on VS Code fork with AI built into every step. You highlight code, describe what you want, and it rewrites or explains it in place. It also has a chat, smart refactors, and full context code edits. It feels super polished, especially for solo devs or fast prototyping. Now, Windsurf, on the other hand, takes a different angle. It's more focused on collaborative AI. You can edit files, chat about code, and bring in other teammates seamlessly. The AI helps explain, write, and fix, but it's a bit more opinionated and still early in some areas. Think of it as a shared dev workspace with AI helping the whole team, not just one person. Cursor is better if you want something stable, local, and tightly integrated. Windsurf is trying to be more of a multiplayer AI coding experience, kind of like Google Docs for code, but smarter. So now which one should you pick? So if you're working solo or want something battle tested today, Cursor is the safer pick. But if you are building with a team and like the idea of AI enhanced collaboration, then Windsurf has some really interesting potential even if it's not as mature yet. So that's it for my comparison between Cursor AI and Windsurf. Thank you for watching.